Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's session we'll discuss about one more tag in HTML5, that is select, option and opt group. Select, option tag and option group, right? So the selection tag is used to create a drop down menu, right? If we want to give a multiple options, so then we can go with this select one. So in that select tag there is an option to display individual options. So let us check out about this one, right? So I'll open the notepad. So let us write down the tags, right? So inside that I'll go with the body directly, and here, yeah, write on the selection. So select tag, inside the selection we need to give the option as let us take it as BTech, right? Option, I'm giving all the degrees, okay, undergraduation degrees and post graduation degrees. So BTech, let us consider as a BCom, BSc, BCA, right? Similarly, MTech, MCom, see, MSc, MCA. So we have given a lot of degrees. So in that options, and I'm just closing the selection. We'll give that label before that. What exactly this one? So label degree, or you can call qualification. Okay, qualification. Right. Let us check. So I'll save this one on the desktop with a select.html. So in the desktop you can find the select.html. So open that one. So you can observe here. See, you can observe there is a drop down menu, right? So with a lot of qualifications. See, BTech, BCom, BSc, BCA, MTech, MCom, MSc, MCA. So by default, it will display only one option, and here we can give an option called attribute called a size. How many options can be displayed at a time? If I go with the 3, so you can observe now at a time the 3 options will be displayed, and rest of the things can be visible with a scroll bar, right? So but only 3 options will be directly visible on the web page. And similarly you can also, so here you can select only one option, right? So I'll go with the 5 and I will show you. Yes, so you can select only one option, right? It is not able, you are not able to select the multiple options here. So for that there is a one more attribute called multiple. If you write this multiple attribute in the select tag, so it is possible to select a multiple options. Just by pressing control you can select a multiple options. Okay, so one, by default we can able to select only one option, but if you use the attribute called multiple, we can select multiple options, right? So hope you understood. And also we can group the third one, option group. We can group the options, right? Use it to group the options. Let us take for example BTech, BCom, BSc and BCA all comes under the undergraduation. So I just want to create one group, opt group means option group, and I'll give the label is an attribute to display that particular group. I'll go with the undergraduate programs, right? And where I have to stop after the BCA, close the option group tag. And similarly, again open the option group tag, OPT group label is equal to postgraduate programs. So this is a label we are giving for the rest of the options, right? So opt group. So we have grouped complete qualifications into two categories. One is undergraduate programs and postgraduate programs. So I'm saving this file, and you can observe here, if you go to the content, see undergraduate programs, and say after BCA it's a postgraduate programs, right? See, I'll remove this multiple selection also. Now we will get the drop down menu. See, drop down menu, and if you open, so this is a label, so you are unable to select this particular option, undergraduate program. And similarly, postgraduate program, we can't able to select the postgraduate program, so you can only select the options of that particular opt group, right? So these four comes under the undergraduate programs group, and these four comes under the postgraduate programs group. So like this we can use the select or select tag in order to create the drop down menu. So either it can be a single selection or a multiple selection. So here, so size is to specify how many options need to be displayed by default, right? By default. And similarly, multiple means to select multiple options. So these are the attributes of select. These are all the attributes of select. Attributes. So size and multiple, right? And coming to the options, so that is only to display the individual options. And opt group, so there is a attribute called label, right? So label is to give a name to the group, right? So this is how we can create a drop down menu with multiple options, and we can group the options, right? So hope you understood this select, option and option group tags, right? So hope you understood. Let's stop here, and if you are having any doubts regarding this one, feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. Definitely I will try to clarify all your doubts. And if you really enjoyed my session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.